Welcome to the new episode of DHTML. In this session, I'm going to discuss about the advanced CSS property. In the last session, I have discussed about the table property, and the two table property the left to discuss in that session. So these two are the table property. Please note down. The background color, you can also set the background color or the background image in the table. So instead of background color, you can write background image and colon with URL in the bracket. You can mention the path of the image. So that is how you can add the background image as well as background color. Text align is the another property. It specifies the horizontal alignment of the text in the table. So the properties text align and the values are center, left, right. It may be justified. So these two are the table related properties, and let's start with the advanced CSS property. So the first property which I'm going to discuss today, that is CSS rounded corner. So CSS rounded corner, that is that is related to the border property, and it's an advanced property of the borders. So as we all know about the border, how to set the border and all. So for that you can apply the rounded corner. Normally we have the border with sharp edges. See, this is the border in Word document. So there is a corner, right? 90-degree corner angle you will get. So instead of that, you will get a rounded corner, right? Not the 90-degree. The curve shape you will get at the corner side. So that is the use of the property. Let's see in the detail. This property is used to apply the border to any element with the rounded corner. Effect using CSS border radius property. So the property name is border-radius. The CSS border radius property defines the radius of the of an element's corners. Rounded corner for element which can be specified with background color, border, and with background image also. So let's see the example. So I have used here the border 1 ID, and in that I have mentioned the border radius 20 pixels. So I want my border rounded value, the radius value. I want my border in curve shape at the corner angle with 20 pixels. So with background color red, padding of the uh, uh, padding of that element which I'm going to apply, that is 15 pixels. So whatever the text inside the border, so within the border and the content, there will be the 15 pixels space from all four sides. The width of the border is 100 pixels and the height of the border is 150 pixel. So that is one of the way to apply the border radius. The another way, see, the border radius is 25 pixels, background URL. See, so here I have used a background. Background repeat is repeat. Instead of repeat, you can apply no repeat. Padding will be 30 px and width is 150 px and height is 150 px. So let's see this example practically. I think I should add a border image as well as, so that we can complete both the topic today. Yes. So see, the border image. Uh, border image property is used to set the border with your own image. So the designing of the image, that is done by the user, and with same element you can apply the border. So using this property, we used to set an image to be used as the border around the element using CSS border image property. So the property name is border hyphen image. CSS border image property allows you to set an image as border instead of a normal border element. The property has three parts. The one is image, another one is where to slice the image, and third one is define whether the middle section should be repeated or stretched. So you can see that with the border image ID, I have used border, that is 10 pixel solid, and the type of the border, that is transparent, because I'm going to add the image as a border. Padding is 15 pixels. See, border image. So this is the name of the border, that is the image name, border underscore image png, which I have created in paint. 39 and round. So these two are the points. So 39 is the point where you want to slice your image. So at 39 point your image will be sliced. And define whether the middle section should be repeated or stretched. So that is the third type. So you want your image, see, this is the image which I have mentioned, I have designed. Yes, this is the image. So this is the shape, right? A diamond shape with green border and the center red color, and same repeated element I have created, right, for kind of the square box I have mentioned. But you can see the output. So this is the actual image of the border. That is how I want my border to be placed on the web page. And see, this is the outcome if you apply the content, right? If you apply the border, see, this is the content inside the border, that is border image URL is this, 30 is the point and the round, right? So at 39 points, so the middle section will be repeated, right? And the type that is mentioned rounded, but the thing is, it depends on your shape, right? My shape is like the corner angle. So since I have applied the round, but it gives you the same shape and the object how you have designed in paint, so that comes like that. So this is the output. So let's see both the thing, the CSS rounded corner and CSS border in the practical, with the practical demonstration I'll just discuss. all the images are there. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll just end my session here, and soon I'll be back with the practical demo of this border radius and border image property. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.